Outstanding design defines the 2013 Toyota Tundra. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a rear step bumper, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.